Hey folks, Philly Boy J here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make the best, I said the best, smothered baked turkey wings and gravy. I fell in love with turkey wings at a very young age, around 9 or 10. The first time I tried them was in 1996 when a sister from my childhood church who went by the name of Sharon and her son Raymond, who was about a year older than me, spent the night with me, my mom, and my sister, and they made baked turkey wings and gravy for dinner. And ever since then, my mom started making them for dinner. She made them often, and I fell in love with them and been making them ever since then. The same way, even though I modified and made a few adjustments and changes to the recipe. But I love baked turkey wings. I think you guys are going to absolutely love this recipe. I uploaded a few smothered baked turkey wing recipes to this channel many years ago, but this is the updated version. So I want you guys to give it a shot. For the full recipe, visit PhillyJCooking.com. There, this recipe will be printable at no cost to you. There you will find the full list of ingredients, all the detailed instructions, and any additional information you need to know regarding this smothered baked turkey wings and gravy recipe. All right, let's talk about the ingredients that you are going to need. You're going to need some turkey wings. You're going to need some turkey broth or chicken broth, or you can use a combination of turkey or chicken broth and water. You're going to need some red peppers, some green bell peppers, and some onions. Those are yellow onions. You're going to need some butter, 1 chicken flavor bouillon cube, a bunch of seasonings. For this list of seasonings, visit my website, PhillyJCooking.com. And you're going to need some flour. We're going to be combining the flour with some of this turkey broth to create a slurry, which is going to turn into a nice savory gravy for our turkey wings. Okay? Let's get to it. What you're going to do first is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Alright y'all, so what we're going to do first is we're going to get a large size baking dish or pan. You're going to need a large dish or pan because we're making a lot of turkey wings. This is 4 pounds of turkey wings that we're baking. Alright? What we're going to do first is season the turkey wings. So add the turkey wings to the baking dish. We're going to add the peppers and the onions. And by the way, you can use whatever color peppers you want because you know they come in many different colors. So you can use yellow peppers, orange peppers. But make sure you always use green. Okay? Sometimes I use all different colors to beautify the dish as well. Alright, now we're going to season the turkey wings. So add the seasonings. And then massage the seasonings in. Make sure both sides of the turkey wings are seasoned. Want to get the seasonings on both sides. So just massage the seasonings in really well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add the butter. And we're going to sit our butter a few pieces over each turkey wing. The butter just adds flavor. Butter just makes everything better. And it's also going to help the turkey wings brown. We want the skin to be nice and brown and crispy. That's after we remove the aluminum foil. We're going to bake it covered under aluminum foil for about 2 hours to get it nice and tender. And then once they're nice and tender, we're going to remove the aluminum foil and crank up the heat and allow them to continue baking until they get nice and brown and crispy. We're also going to add the gravy before placing them back in the oven uncovered. But what we're going to do first is we're going to add some of this broth. A little less than half, about 1/4 of the broth. All right, y'all, so last but not least, what we're going to do is cover the turkey wings with aluminum foil. Make sure they are fully covered. We're going to place the turkey wings in the oven and let them go for about 2 hours. I'll get back to you guys once they're done. All right, y'all, what we're going to do is we're going to crank the heat up to 400 degrees. And we're going to check our turkey wings and see if they're nice and tender. You want them to be fork tender. Let's remove the aluminum foil. Look at those turkey wings. Let's check and see if they're tender. Oh yes, they are fork tender. You can stick the fork right through them. That's the way you want them to be. So what we're going to do now is we're going to remove the turkey wings from the baking dish or pan and set them aside. Because we're going to make the slurry and add the slurry to the leftover broth that you see here that's still remaining in the baking dish. All right, y'all, so what we're going to do now is we're going to create our slurry. We're going to do that by adding our flour to the rest of this broth. And we're going to stir it in until it's dissolved. Make sure it's well dissolved to where you don't see any more lumps of flour. All right, now we're going to add the chicken bouillon cube to the baking dish. Add it to the liquid. And we're going to pour in the slurry. Make sure you stir and pour at the same time so that flour gets in there, because that's what's going to thicken it. I'm going to add a little water to this to get the remaining flour out. Okay, we're going to give this a nice stir. Stir it really well. Okay. All right, so this is our gravy. It's thin now, but it's going to thicken. And you don't want the gravy to be too thick anywhere. What we're going to do is we're going to sit our turkey wings back into the baking dish. And then we're going to place them back in the oven so that they can get nice and brown and crispy. And by the time they get nice and crispy and they brown, the gravy will be thicker. All right. All right, so we're just going to pour the juice over the turkey wings. This will help them brown. Okay. I'm going to place these back in the oven. I'll get back with you guys once they're nice and brown and the gravy thickens. Alright, y'all, here's our turkey wings. I'm gonna drizzle some gravy over the wings. Look at that. Look at that, turkey wings and gravy. Look at that. Look how tender it is. Yep. These turkey wings, well seasoned, crispy. And if you want them crispier, you can put them in the broiler, or you can just let them continue baking a little longer. I didn't want mine too crispy, so I took them out. But man. Yep. So tender. Well seasoned. Juicy. These are juicy. Look at that. That smoke. And get some of that gravy. The gravy is the perfect consistency. That's gravy, baby. That's turkey gravy. Get some of that skin. Y'all gonna love this. Again, for the full recipe, visit PhillyJCooking.com. These bad boys are delicious. Chicken wings cannot get too much better than this. Look at that. Look at that. Well, let's do some hot sauce. I gotta go, y'all. Some hot sauce and rice. I gotta go. Later.